Hello Internet, it's been a hectic morning. It's been a long time since I've uploaded a video of any kind, but I thought I would do a little vlog. We're taking a trip out to western Kentucky to visit my wife's family. They have a Great Dane there that's 7 months old, and we're going to take him in and he's going to become a part of our family. It looks like they pulled him out of a bad situation, but they just don't have anywhere to keep him long term. And so we've agreed to take him because my wife has wanted a Great Dane for years anyway. She loves them. We've got the little house dog Jake, but we need something outside, a large outside animal to be a companion for the kids, to alert us to mountain lions or coyotes and things of that nature. So we're going to take this Great Dane in. We've got, I don't know if I've ever had this one in a video, I got a truck that's identical almost to my old one, except this one has the V8 instead of the V6. We've got a bunch of chips we're dropping off to people, and we've got the trailer because they've already got a dog house that they've kind of put together for him. So it's going to be a long trip. It's going to be about a 12-hour drive there and back, but I just don't feel like staying at somebody else's house over the weekend or over this weekend. I just want to go there, get the dog, and get back and get him squared away. So let's get rolling. Alright, we got breakfast. Trip meter's reset. You guys ready to go get the new dog?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
What are you doing?
I was just saying which mom is which.
What are you playing, Alistair?
I was playing hide and seek.
Awesome.
And here's Lexington. First big city first big city of 3 on the way. We got Lexington, and then we've got Elizabethtown, and then we've got Madisonville, which I guess none of them really are big cities, but they're a lot bigger than Tigersville and Providence. So. New Circle Road is under construction, apparently. We're on the Bluegrass Parkway now. Alrighty, West Kentucky Parkway, here we come. Alright, so we put, let me see, 223.6 miles divided by 19.019 gallons it took to fill back up. Gives us about 11.7 miles per gallon. So it is sucking the fuel. Like I said, we've got a V8 with a trailer behind us. The trailer's empty, but we've got a bunch of crap in the bed and 4 people and a bunch of our stuff, so it's drinking the fuel a little bit. Well, we normally take the Pennyroyal Parkway north into Madisonville and then go from Madisonville to Providence, but the Pennyroyal Parkway north wasn't labeled as such, and so I missed the exit. But there's an exit just for Providence on down the road here. When I heard road signs, I was thinking like the little sheet metal ones. But this is like 1/2-inch plywood. And shingles. This will be a good one. Good and heavy for the ride home, but it'll be alright. Alright, sit. Sit. Good boy. You're a vicious man-eater.
I'm used to having to stop recording when I'm talking. I forget you're gonna over. Don't push on the roof too bad. That is huge. That might be the biggest doghouse I have ever seen.
Literally.
Literally.
I want to have plenty of room.
Yeah.
This is true.
Alright, we got a twist in it here. But it's not twisted here. It's not twisted up there or anywhere else. So now we can store stuff back in the giant doghouse. Alrighty. Windbreak for the tarp.
Go around the other side.
Doghouse. Swimming pool. Car seat.
We ain't making it that way.
Alright, so we made a few miles down the road. He's still secure. I ran in and got him a pork bone, so he's happy. House is still secure. Ratchet strap could stand to be tightened a little bit. Duct tape the front of these shingles so they, or T-Rex taped them so they wouldn't come flying off, hopefully. This is mainly just to keep it from teetering if I go around a curve. There we go, tight enough. This is still secure. Alrighty, let's roll. So we got all the shingles taped that were ones that were lifted. We got them all taped down.
Put my hand in it.
Here we go. It's not gonna work till we get up there next time.
That's so.
Hey, right where you were at, buddy.
Mine. Did mine put his deco mask? Airplane, Mom.
Yeah, we'd have to take an airplane to Ryan's house.
Younger.
Is he too younger?
Yeah.
Crank the cruise control back up. We're back on the Bluegrass Parkway.
People do. Look at people do. This is the
What you playing?
my 3DS.
Show it up here.
Watch.
That's so awesome.
But it looks like my laptop.
It does look like a little laptop.
That's what clean materials.
One thing I like better about this pickup is the fact that the dome light inside does not have to be on in order for me to have the cargo light on in the bed. So like I can say dome light, but then cargo light, and I can keep an eye on the dog without blinding the hell out of myself inside the pickup. Alrighty, leaving Lexington. Next stop, Salyersville. About 100 miles, give or take.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
that looks really nice. Look at the castle, guys.
It's my favorite time.
Take it easy around this curve. Doghouse is pretty high. driveway, home stretch. So Hermione has discovered that when I said it was going to take all day, I meant the whole day. And she just realized that she had to go a full day without playing Roblox, and her world is shattered. Because the parental controls on her computer kick in at 2200, and we just rolled over, so. Look at her. No Roblox for you.
Stop looking at me, guys.
What?
Stop.
Okay. Well, home sweet home. Final tally for the day is 645.5 miles. Not too bad for one day's driving. Looking around. I'll walk you around the whole place tomorrow. Might take us a few hours, but I'll walk you around the whole place. Where did it go? Did it get chucked in here? Yes, it did. I do believe this is the biggest doghouse I have ever seen in my life. Guess what though? Guess what? Look here. I got all this just for you. There we go. Come here. There we go. If there's any left, Jake will eat it. I know, you're excited. Quit, you're gonna spill your water everywhere. There you go, there's you some water and food. You should be all squared away for a little bit. Uh-oh, you found a toy. You found a toy. What in the world? What in the world is that? Day 2. We've rearranged the yard a little bit. And I say we've got to keep him tied up for a little while until he learns his boundaries and where he is and isn't allowed to go. Stop. Sit. 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 Good boy. Until he learns where he is and isn't allowed to go. And we're thinking about just putting his doghouse right here, kind of centering it against this tree. That way he's in a good shaded spot, but he's still close to the house. We've got a bucket laid out for him, but I wanted to make sure that he was within reach of fresh running water. Hopefully we won't have to leave him on the chain for very long. And I'm going to put him on a leash in a little while and walk him up and down the holler and introduce him maybe to the neighbors, mom and dad and their dogs, and just get him acquainted with everybody. It's nice and quiet. He's got lots of room to run. Children that love him already. Alrighty, so the wife and I managed to get his doghouse unloaded. We've got it blocked up, relatively level. It's a little canted a little bit forward. Oh, hush! But I'm not worried about that. That'll let water run out if it gets any in it. You're vicious. Come here. Oh, can you figure it out? Get your back legs up there. Well, I guess that works. So, that was my little video blog. Went down to my in-laws, got this little feller. Hauled his doghouse down here, got it all set up. And over the course of the next week or so, he's going to get vaccines of various kinds and deworm just in case. I don't think he's got worms, but I worm them just in case, especially when they're puppies. And hopefully he'll have a good, long, and happy life up here. So, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider a subscription. Maybe I'll get a little more active on YouTube. I don't know. I've been working and so busy in last year or so that I just haven't really put much time and effort into it. But maybe that'll change. We'll see how it goes. Till then, this is Marcus out. Y'all take care. Have a good one.